Hello, police? There's a dead man around the corner.
Freeze! Good afternoon, gentlemen. You, sir, can you please go up for a while? I'll just call you if it goes up. Mr. Ryan Gardner, where were you between 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock p.m.?
I was in the lead. I was making project for J6.
You live?
Yes.
And why did you come here? To the person, to see your friend, Mr. Gabriel Tan?
I don't know. I was just walking and I saw him. Then I helped him.
Okay. Please step out and call person number 2. Mr. Ian Lavadia. Where were you between 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock p.m.?
I'm helping the Romac, sir.
Again?
I'm helping the Romac, sir.
Romac?
Yes, sir.
What is Romac?
Romac.
And why are you found within the vicinity of the school all the time when Mr. Gab's body is found?
Because I'm bleeding there, sir.
Where?
The next room, sir.
Are you a janitor here?
No, sir.
Then why are you here?
Part-time student, sir.
Okay, please step out. Good afternoon. Mr. Gab Tan, found dead at exactly 2:30 here in the school vicinity. And at that time, both of you are the only people here. So who is the killer?
I'm not the killer, sir.
Oh, is that all you're saying? How about you?
Oh,
What?
not me.
From my colleagues who is checking out the body now, they're checking out the temperature of Mr. Gab Tan's body. And we can know the killer through Newton's law of cooling. You know that? You don't know that?
We don't know.
Start off from my colleague's information that the room temperature was at 24 degrees Celsius. And Mr. Gab Tan's body was recorded at 30 degrees Celsius. At that time, it's close to 2:30. And we checked after 1 hour. That would be 3:30. Mr. Gab Tan's body was recorded at 26 degrees Celsius. So his normal temperature was at 37 degrees Celsius. And it's solved by simple calculus, if you know what I mean. So given at 30 degrees Celsius, you can solve using this equation. We have the given of 30 degrees Celsius at time equals to 0. With that, can solve for the C, which is equals to 60, or you can call it 6. Now we can use the equation y minus m equals to 6e raised to t. Now with this given, and the difference here is 60 minutes, we just use minutes instead of hours. We can now solve for the k. 26 minus 24 is equal to 6e raised to k times 60. And with a lot of solving, this will become 2. And with the formula transformation, you can have ln of 2 over 6 over 60 is equals to k. And solving for k will be equal to negative 0.0183102. Now we have a new formula, new equation, y minus m is equals to 6e raised to negative 0.0183102t. Now given with this equation, this is the body's normal temperature. We will now look for the time. So with this equation, we'll substitute everything that is given. 37 minus 24 is equals to 6e raised to negative 0.0183102t. And with a lot of formula transformation, we will come up with this equation. 13 over 6 over negative 0.0183102 is equals to t. And solving for t, we'll get a value of negative 42.2272. And this will be in minutes. So given the time that Gab was discovered at 2:30 p.m., we can deduct this value to that value to know when did he die. So 2:30 p.m. minus of 30 minutes. This is an easier way to understand. So after minusing this 30 minutes, we'll get the value of 12. So after minusing 30 minutes, we'll have 2 o'clock p.m. and then minus another 12 minutes. This value is not very significant, so we'll just use the whole value. We will come up with the time of 1:48 p.m. This is the time that Gab died. I now know who is the killer. You are the killer, Mr. Island of the Year, because Mr. Ryan Garde is found bullied, but delayed during his time, and his testament is true. You will serve life in jail.
But wait! There's more!
At 2 o'clock p.m.
I'm helping the Romax.
Again? You go.